start the doubt class, right? I'll open up the PDF.
Yeah, just give me a minute. Yeah, you open the PDF. Just give me a minute.
Starting with the book Shenges only. So you have doubts from multiple chapters, it seems, right? Sequence and series, then you have binomial. Let's start with the binomial part. You have covered the whole chapter.
Yeah, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Start with binomial question. Chapter 7, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So first doubt is in illustration 7.10.
Yeah.
Okay, these are you take your book and pen, you do it simultaneously. Once I do it, you.
Yeah, I'll do it straight after.
Yeah. Okay, so you have the notebook and all ready, right?
Yes, it's there.
So the first question says find the term independent of x in the expansion. What is the expansion given? 1 plus x plus 2x cube, right? Into 3x square by 2 minus 1 by 3x power whole to the power 9.
Okay.
Okay, 1 by 3x is down, whole to the power 9. This is our question. Independent of x, what does it mean?
Independent of x means you have to get it in terms of
Power
not x.
0
X
should
should
be there,
not be
right?
there. Yeah.
X to the power 0 should be there. That means we have to find
Exactly.
the coefficient of x to the power 0 in this scenario,
Yeah.
and we are given the binomial expansion as this. So, you know the general term, if I consider this as Sn, so what will be my, if I see the general term of it, what it will be? You getting my question? Okay, SR if I take will be N9. 9 is the this exponent, na? So 9CR 3x square by the power 9 minus R upon 1 minus 3 to the power R. This is clear, right? This will be the general
Yeah.
term. So if I take the coefficient outside, if I take the numerical terms outside, what it will become? In next step, it will become equivalent to NCR 3 to the power 9 minus R and minus 1 by 3 x, only the numeric term. So 1 by 3 ki power R. This is clear. Now we'll see
Yeah.
what will be the power of x. So from here, x to the power will be 18 minus 2R from first term.
Yeah.
To the power 18 minus 2R, and here it will be what? X to the power R, right?
Okay.
So I'll write it as x to the power 18 minus 2R upon x to the power R. So what does it become? Exactly, it becomes 9R. So 3 by 2, 9 minus R, minus 1
Yeah.
by 3 R, R into this R will be subtracted, so it will become x18 minus 3R. Till here it is clear, right?
Yeah.
So you want for this question, you had something attached with it. That was what? 1 plus x cube. That means for
Okay.
you to term which is independent of x, that means x to the power 0, you should have multiplied this term by x to the power 0, this term by x to
Yeah.
the power minus 1, and this x to the power minus 3. Am I making
Okay.
my point clear? Then only it will be independent of x. So we'll check for the coefficient of when x will be equivalent to 0, -1 and -3. Okay? So I'm
Okay.
checking for the coefficient when x will have power as 0. That means 18 minus 3r is equivalent to 0. This comes out to be 6. R comes out to be 6 from here.
Mm-hmm.
Clear? Now, x to the power -1. Taking the coefficient for -1, so -1 के लिए what you will do? 18 minus 3r you will equate by -1. What value you are getting? You're getting 1 plus 3r okay, you're getting one term as r minus 17 by 3, which is not possible. This is a
Okay.
function of 9, 8, 7, like this it should be, right? It should
Yeah.
be a number which is not a natural number or a integer.
Okay.
Okay, so now x to the power -3 also I will check. So for x to the power -3, what it will be? X to the power -3 means 18 minus 3r is equal to -3. 18,
Mm.
19, 20, 21. So x, r we get 7. That means you have to multiply r as 6 for getting an independent term here. Here you are not getting any independent term because it was a rational number, and for this term you should multiply it with what? You should put r as 7. Till here it is clear?
Yeah. Okay.
I'll put x as now. I will check when will the coefficient of x will be 6. When you are putting r as 6, right? So x6 will become what? X to the power 6 will become 1 into 9 c6 3 to the power 2 power 3
Mm.
and 1
Yeah.
minus 3 to the power 6. Okay. This
Yeah.
term
Okay.
I told will not get the value because it was not a rational number. Now for last you should put r as 7. Here put r as 7 in this equation. So what you get? You'll get uh, nc. Okay, you had 1 plus x. X के लिए we are getting nothing, and 2x cube के लिए you are getting one coefficient. So 2 will remain here
Okay.
into 97. We are putting r7 now, 3 to the power 2 as 2 and minus 1 to the power 3 upon 9 minus 7, sorry, 9 minus 2, that is 7. So what is
Okay.
the coefficient you are getting right now? If you multiply this term with that 1 plus x to the power, sorry, 2x cube, that time what you will get the coefficient for x naught? Coefficient for x naught will be 1 plus, just check, 9c6 is what? And 1 to the power 3. Let me see. If you solve this part and this part,
Yeah.
what values do you get? Check the book only. I'm not
Yeah.
calculating it right away. It will take time. So,
Sure.
okay, it is given as 7 by 18. Okay.
Okay.
And then for the last term, it is given plus into 2 into minus 27. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
What, yeah, this your final answer is given in the book. It should match whatever it is. 17. Just check for the final answer. I'm not leaving the calculation part only. So you just
Mm-hmm.
keep thing and see if you can trace how do we do. Just let me know when to change the page.
Sure. Okay. Ma'am, can you let me record this?
Yeah, sure. I am recording this. I can share it with you.
Okay. Yeah. Just share this one to me after
Okay.
the class is done.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am, we can move to the next.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, we can move to the next page.
Hmm. Quite lengthy these questions are.
Yeah. That's okay if it takes another class. It's it's fine. It's no problem.
Yeah, because it will take time.
Mhm.
Like, if I explain properly.
Yeah. Yeah, we can move to the next. Yeah, I mean, pretty much. Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Calculation
You
part of
just
this.
check what is the answer coming in your book only. It should be some, just check if
Yeah.
you add the same thing, if you're getting the same answer.
uh, Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, after that, you had doubt in 7.30.
Yeah.
So, illustration 7.30 says what? Find the sum of summation
Mm.
k from 0 to 10, 20, ck,
Yeah.
right? So you know how to open this. First thing that we have done it from the Hall and Knight's book. 1 plus x to the power n was what? nc0 plus
Yeah.
x plus nc2 x square and goes on, right? If
Yeah.
I
Okay.
take if I take ns20, okay, so it will become
Mm.
what? And I put x is equal to 1 and n is equal to 20. So it will become 1 plus 1 to the power 20. That is 2 to the
Yeah.
power 20. You'll
Right.
open in the same way, right? NC0.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
it will now become what? It will become 20 T0 plus 20 T1, 1
Mm.
to the power something, then 20 C2 plus it will go on till 20 C20, right?
Yes.
Now, one more thing, you know that NCR is equivalent to NC, N minus R. That means 20C17 is equivalent to 20C3 or
Mm-hmm.
like that. You know this property of binomial.
Yeah.
So if you take here NC1, 20C1, 20C2, 20C1 will be equivalent to this, then this will be equivalent to 19 term. Similarly, only 20C 10th term will be left in this.
Okay.
But rest all will be double, right? So what I can do is I can write it as 2 times of 20C0 plus 20C 1 and 19 will be equal. So 2 plus then 1, 2, then 20C, all the terms till 10, 20C3, 20C10. But 10th term was not twice, so I have to subtract it once. So 20C10, I am subtracting also once. Okay,
Okay. Fine.
that means this was given in our question, right? Just check, this only was asked in our question. If you open, it will open.
Yeah.
So if I assume this equation as say t, so what does it become? 2 times of t is equal to 12. It was equal to what? 2 to the power 20, right? So it will
Yeah.
become what? 20, 2 to the power 20 plus 20 C10. This is clear?
Right. Okay.
So it will become what? T will become, my T will become from here 2 to the power 20 plus 20 C10 upon 2. So it should come 2 to the power 19 plus half of 20 C10. This is my
Okay.
answer.
Okay.
Is this the answer?
Let me check.
They might have left in some other step also. Just check once.
Sure. 7.30.
Yeah, 7.30.
Ma'am, for 7.30, answer is yeah, 2 to the power minus. Ma'am, it's minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2.
Yeah.
Okay, that means we have minus 1 by 2. This plus we have added. Some minus ka mistake I have done. Let's check. You start doing from the starting and tell me if you are able to find the mistake, or else I will see.
Okay, sure. Uh, mhm. Yeah, I move to the next page. Mm. Uh, Ma'am, I'm not able to find the mistake. I don't know why you made it.
I have to check the question. 220C. What is the solution given?
Ma'am, he's done it in a different method.
Okay, but I want to match the solution. What is the solution exactly?
Like, first, like, what do you mean? The answer, end
Yeah,
answer.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Answer.
It's 2 to the power 2 to the power 19 minus 1 by 2, 20 C.
20 minus 1 by 2. Are you sure? Because
Yeah, it's
2
minus 1
times
by
we
2
are
over here.
taking here, so it should become minus here. Going that side, it should become 20 n only. Let me check once again. 1 plus x to the power
Yeah,
n. If you take
yeah, just give me a minute. I'll go drink water and come to them.
yeah,
Yeah.
20 C10. Let me solve somewhere. Shouldn't it be plus 10 only? Minus 10. It is twice. So
Ma'am, then you would have made. Wait, ma'am, he's done S is equal to 20C0 plus 20C1 until 20C10 is
yeah,
equal to. So that I don't know
20
how he's equated that into to the power 19 minus 1 by 2, 20C10. That's what he's done. Everything else is fine only.
minus 1 by 2. I also doubt because it should be 1 by 2 if you take it the left hand side as here, or
Hmm.
else I think what would have done, minus he took directly here, but still it should be a positive sign because both side he has to minus then. Both side he has to minus. Actually, we are getting this equivalent to 2 to the power 20, right?
Yeah.
And we are doing it twice, so we are doing minus both the side.
Fine. Yeah.
So that is why that sign is negative. But still, I'll check on this question. Okay.
Sure.
Next doubt, for the time being, you tell me your next doubt. I'll check this question again if
Yeah,
this
ma'am. It's just the next question. I don't remember, ma'am. I sent you the PDF, right? You can check the next question.
it should be just a minute. 7.47.
Okay. Yeah.
Now your question is illustration. Tells find the last digit, last two digit, and last three digit of 7 to the power. What it is written?
Ma'am, find the last digit, last two digits, and last three digits of 17 to the power 256.
Okay, it is 17 to the power 256. Last digit,
Yeah.
last two digits, and last three digits. Okay, these things we have to take into consideration. That means your answer should be correct up till last three digits places, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
17 to the power 256, I'm going to start it as 17 to the power 256. I can write 17 square to the power 256 is 128. 17 to the power 128. So 17 square to the power 128. So this will be 17 the square is what? 289 to the power 128. Okay, again I'll convert it into a binomial expansion. That will become 290 minus 1 to the power 128. Till here clear? Okay. If I open this, you know how to open this kind of expansion. So you do r from 1 to 128, 0 to 128 minus 1 to the power r into 128 cr 290 to the power r and 1 to the power this you have taken minus wala thing ahead only. So this will be your r term.
Yeah.
1 minus r. 1 to the power, yeah. This will be your r term.
Yes, will be the
Then what you can do is you just try to open it up. So if you open it up, it will become 128 C0 into 290 to the power 128
Yeah.
minus 128 C1 290 to the power 127, and it will go on in the same fashion. Last term will become what? No, it will, last term will become, but we need here one thing. We need 3-digit solution. So I'll take the last third term also. So what it will be? 128 C 125. Last term will be that only, na? 128 minus 3.
Yeah.
128 C 125. 290 to the power 3 and 1 to the power whatever that doesn't count, and last term will be this, right? So last third digit I am taking because we need answer till thousands, means first 2 digit, first 3 digit, and this will need, right? That is why I'm
Yes.
taking this term for now. You see the
Okay.
here to here. Okay, just check for these terms. So here it will be 128 zeros. Here it will be 127. Here it will be 3 zeros. So these
Okay.
all these numbers are going to be multiple of 1000. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
So I can write these all number as a multiple because I need last 3 digits. So I don't care what it is coming here. I'm just caring about it is a
The
multiple
last
of
3
1000.
digits. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Now what was my second last term? If you see, 128C 126,
Yeah.
that will be equal to 128C 122 C2 290 to the power 2, like that it will be, right?
Yeah.
Because 120 actually 128C 126, I can write it as 128C 2, equivalent only, right? Property of combination.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
C square, plus second last term, this is second last term. Then last term will be what? 1 only. It remains
Okay.
the same, right? So if I
Yeah.
open it up now, it will become 1000 m 128 into 127 into 2 into 290 into 290 plus 1,
Yeah.
45. Just if you have a calculator handy, just give me the value for this, or I'll take out my calculator.
Yeah.
Do you have?
No.
Okay, otherwise you will be given for these calculation, you will be given, it will be 683527,680 plus 1. Okay, so it
Oh.
becomes 1000 m plus 683527,681. You just need this. The last digit is 1. First ka answer is 1. Second ka answer should be 81. Third ka answer should be 681.
681. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
See from the starting, it's jotted.
Sure. Yeah, ma'am, we can move to the next page.
This was still a easy one.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I didn't get the calculation part. I didn't know the trick only.
Now,
So
you
yeah.
are getting next easy.
Yeah, yeah. Now I get. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, ma'am. I understand.
Done.
Yeah.
Okay, can we move to next?
Yeah.
We have 7 done, then 30, 47. Okay. After that, we have illustration 7.81.
Yeah.
Okay. So this says if k and n are positive integers and sk is given 1k, 2k. Okay. If k and n are positive integers and k, s is what? 1 to the power k plus 2 to the power k, and it goes on till n to the power k. Then we have to prove that sigma r from 1 to n, what is written? MC, what is written? MCR, m plus 1 CR, SR is equivalent to n plus 1 to the power m plus 1
minus n plus 1.
n plus 1. Okay, that means this should come out at the end, last term minus second last term. Okay, so how do you start this question? Did you try this from your end?
Yeah, I didn't get it.
So if you start, if I take this series only and I put first S as 1, okay, I'm putting as C as 1, R as 1, and so I'm starting by putting R as 1. So it will become what? M plus 1. This is a lengthy question, okay. So I'll do it half, you note it down, then I'll do half, then you note it down again. Okay, means try from your end again. So it will become,
No, we can do it simultaneously only.
sorry.
We'll do it simultaneously only.
Just understand few steps and then try from your end. Then
That's what I'll keep doing with you.
okay, as you say. But then I
Yeah.
think you won't understand because this is a lengthy question.
Okay. So,
Just try
anything.
for this one. See how we are going forward. So I'm putting S as 1. So it will become what? MC1 S1 plus MC M plus 1 C2 S2. I'm putting the value of R basically. Then M plus 1 C3 S3, and it will go on till M plus 1, till where we have to go till N, right? Cn Sn. This
Yes.
will be the opening. Now you know
Yes.
S1 ka value will be 1 to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3. So I'm opening all of them separately now. Okay, so M plus 1 C1, this, and I'm putting the value for S1, that will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on till n,
Sure. Okay.
right? Then I'm putting the value for m plus 1 C2. S2 will be what? 1 square plus 2 square, 3 square, value of k I'm putting. So n square. Similarly, what will be the last term? This will go on in the same fashion. What will be the last term? M plus 1 Cn. It will be
Yeah.
1 to the power n plus 2 to the power n and so on, n to the power n. This thing is understood?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now I take all the terms which are multiplying with 1. That means this, this. So I am separating this way now. Okay. So
Okay.
note down till here, then we'll move on to the next step.
Okay. Sure. Yeah. No.
Okay, now I'll move on from here. I said how I'll be combining. I'll take MC1 1 square 1 to the power n, then I'll take MC1 C2 2 2 square. Okay, so I'll separate this way. So how it will become? it will become m plus 1 c1 into 1 plus mc2 m plus 1 c2 into 1 square plus m plus 1 c3 into 1 cube and so on, right?
Yeah.
So then plus m plus 1 c1 into 2 plus m plus 1 c2 into 2 square plus similarly it will go on and it will continue here also. Last term will become what? M plus 1 cn into n plus m plus 1 cn into n square. Similarly, plus m plus 1 cn into n to the power n. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just note it down in a short manner, then we are almost done.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you see this exactly. Again, you remember we did from Holland Knights 1 plus x to the power n is what? Expansion of. So if I put it as 1 only, the expansion will be this only, right? Instead of n, we'll get here m plus 1. Means 1 plus 1 ki bar
Okay.
m plus 1. So now I'll substitute everything in that. So it will become for me 1 plus 1 to the power m plus 1, right? But one thing, are you following?
Yeah.
So, but one thing is there, what? C1, m plus 1 c1 into 1 square. This will not contain the terms of last two terms. So we are adding these terms. It is continued till m plus 1 cn 1 to the power n, right? But
Yeah.
for this expansion, there will be two terms extra, 1 plus 1, that those I have to subtract now. So that two terms will be what? It will be minus 1 minus m c m plus 1 c m plus 1 1 to the power m plus 1. This term won't be here, na? So we cannot just straight away write it as this. So we have to subtract these two terms. So you got this? How we got
Yeah.
this?
Yeah.
Similarly, plus here, instead of substituting x as 1, we'll substitute. So it will become what? 1 plus 2 m plus 1, again minus 1, minus m plus 1 c m plus 1, 2 to the power m plus 1. This will
Yeah.
continue, right? So
Right.
similarly, last term will also get like that. You substitute n and you'll get all the terms. Okay. So from here, if you solve, what you're getting, see, just accommodate these terms. So you get 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1 to the power n minus 1. You're substituting the value everywhere. You get
Yeah.
2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1 to the power n minus 1. From the next term, we will get 3 to the power n minus 1 minus 2 to the power n minus 1. And this will go on till the nth term, that will be 1 plus n to the power n plus 1. Right? These
Okay.
terms will be there. But now you see. Uh, okay. So this, all these terms will somehow get cancelled. The next term will be something 4 to the power n minus 1 minus 3. So this will also get cancelled. But this last term will remain. So what it will be? 1 plus n to the power n plus 1. Plus you see we had minus 1 n times. So it will become minus n. Right? And 1 to the power n minus 1 will remain. So 1 to the power n minus 1 is remaining. So it will become what? Take the minus sign common. So you get 1 plus n to the power n plus 1. Minus sign if I take common, so I get n plus
N
1
plus 1. Yeah.
to the power n. So this was only required, n plus 1.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It is quite a lengthy question, but this is from the starting. I think first page you noted it down previously.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I'm done with the first.
Okay. Just see again and then this page is also done, I think.
Yeah, even this one is done.
Okay. That means you have to do here only.
Yeah.
That means it uses so many concepts all together that you might get confused. So,
Exactly.
of course, you have to build the basics only.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
So, move on to the next question. That is 8-1 के बाद we had 102.
102. Yeah.
Okay. So, our question is what? 102 and 101 is also a doubt.
No.
But you have
It's only
marked it.
102.
Huh?
Yeah, I was able to solve it later.
Okay.
I
So
forgot to
we'll do
remember. Yeah.
7.102.
Yes.
7.102 says find the sum of summation 0 I. Okay, two limits are given. And did you start limits also, Suyash?
What, sir? Oh, sorry, what, ma'am?
Did you start limits also?
Yeah. But
Started.
those ones I'll ask you later because I haven't
Okay, you have doubts in
finished.
that as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, with that I haven't sent yet. So,
Yeah. So it will only take 2 sessions to complete. Now it's fine. So when is your mom's class?
What?
You were saying that your mom has a class to deliver.
It was from 11 to 12.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
done.
So yeah,
Okay,
she's busy.
so I'll do what thing? I'll put I as 0 first. Okay, so what it will become? 0, j, j is between 0 and n. That means j should be strictly greater than 0. So my term, if I expand this particular term only, so what it will become? It will become j to the power 0, that is 1 only, into nc 0.
Okay.
If I 1, 2, 3, 4, this till n, clear? If I put I is equal to 1, what it will become? J should be greater than 1 and less than equal to n, right? So from here it will become this, I am putting j to the power 1, nc1. These terms become 2, 3, 4, and so on till n.
Yeah.
Put I is equal to similar fashion only. Okay, I is equal to 2 also you will do for I is equal to n minus 1 at what it will be summation of n minus 1 j 1 j from 1 to n. So it will become what? J to the power n, and now the terms will be what? N minus n, nc, n minus 1. These terms only will be there.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what is required in the question? If you see, if you change this limit into, okay, this question was here. Now, try to, if we just alter the limits. Previously, it was j and r. Now, if I try to bring the limit to r, so what it will become? R from 0 to n minus 1 ncr. Instead of n, I am writing this r plus 1 plus r plus 2 plus n. This will be the scenario now, right?
Yeah.
If I change the limit. Okay. Then you know how to take the sum of this series. How
Yeah.
will you take the sum of these series? You know the formula n by 2 a plus l, right?
Right.
So that only I am applying here. Sigma
Mm-hmm.
r to 0 to n ncr n plus 1 means
Yeah.
n by 2. Now, how many terms are there? N plus 1 by 2 into, okay, great.
Mm.
Let me check how many terms are there. So these are total n terms minus r, right? So n minus
Right.
r should be n minus r by 2.
Yeah.
A first term is r plus 1 and last term is what? N,
And
right?
yes. Yeah.
Again, if I alter the limit n minus r, okay, I am doing changing the limit to it was still n minus 1, right? If I want to change it till n, so I have to add 2r there. So it will become what? Are you able to view? Control minus.
Yeah.
Wait. Skipped. From here, I'll repeat again. So it becomes what? Sigma r from 0 to n. Previously, it was n minus 1. The limit changes. You know how to change the limit. This is in the property wala thing. I think you are clear with that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
becomes r minus r plus 1 plus n minus 2r. So it becomes what exactly? It will become, what is it given in the question? Let me check. You're getting exactly the similar term which is given in your book. Just do you have your book open? That is n minus r. Okay, we got this term. Then ncr r minus 2r. So you're getting the term as what? ncr n minus r
Yeah.
by 2, and this term will be what? N plus 1 minus r. Till here also,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Now what you see, now we have this n r is equal to 0. You have one property that sum of all binomial coefficient, you know that property will be equivalent to 2 to the power n. Sum of
Okay.
binomial, that property I am going to apply. Okay. So if you see now, what you had last is sigma from r
What?
to, huh?
What do you say, ma'am?
I'm saying again, I'm writing this again.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
what I get, r from 0 to n, ncr, n minus r, n minus 1 by 2 into, with r also I'm separating it to sigma from r to 0 by n, ncr, n minus r by 2 into r. This thing and this thing I've written separately, okay? Are you there? Suyash? Suyash,
What? What, ma'am?
are you there? I just wrote once with this particular term and once with this r, and two I am taking outside only. Okay. So,
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, fine.
just check once.
Yes, sure.
Can I move further?
Yeah, sure.
So what exactly you get from here? The last step you are separating it for both. So one side you are getting r square. So now your term will become what? N plus 1. This is rotated. This you're getting n plus 1 by 2 sigma summation of r from 0 to n r to the power r n c r minus n by 2 r to the power 0 n r NCR again, and then R was twice there, so it will become R from 0 to N R square NCR. Okay.
Yeah.
After that, what is happening? You're just separating this N you take 1 by 2 common, so what you're left with here? You're left with sigma R, R to the power N, NCR. And here n was there, na? So n plus 1 by 2 minus n by 2. You are left with 1 by 2 only. N plus 1 by 2 minus n by 2.
Okay.
So you're left with what? Exactly 1 by 2 only. So यहाँ पर you are doing what?
Well,
R square. Quite a big proof, NCR. Then we are going to use this property, which I told you that okay, I think we got. So there is one property, if you remember, you must have studied sum of all binomial coefficient of 1 plus x to the power n. Binomial coefficient. It is coming from that result only, the next step. If we go to proof, it will take 15 minutes, I think, to prove that thing. So did you come across this formula, or should we do the explanation once? It coefficient will be of the term 2 to the power n, because we are substituting one again by Halls and Knight ka we have done now. We used to substitute
yeah.
one. So from there we are getting it as what? Our next step becomes n 2 to the power n minus 1
Yeah.
NCR plus R0 to n R square NCR. From that property we are getting this. Okay, we can put this also as n n minus 1, 2 to the power n minus 2, because r square is given na, so n minus 2 plus n 2 to the power n minus 1. So if you simplify it, you will get your answer, which is in the book also same, n plus 3 to the power n minus 3. You're just multiplying 1 by 2 and keeping the coefficients down.
Okay.
Quite lengthy question to understand. Do you get this kind of a question in this imbibe also?
Yeah. It depends, ma'am. Sometimes not.
Okay. But there aren't any proof questions. Now, proofs, so you should know the results basically, and then you can apply. The application only comes mostly.
Exactly.
Okay. Then fourth chapter is what? Sequence and series.
Yeah.
How many doubts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 doubts only. Shall we take up that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So 4.6771. Okay, 4.71 is one illustration.
Yes.
Which says if AM and GM between two numbers are ratio, means AM and GM of two numbers are given as m by n, then what you have to prove? Then prove that the numbers are in ratio. Then numbers are in ratio.
Yeah.
What? M plus root of
What?
n square minus n square. This you have to prove. I'm just writing the statement.
Okay.
M minus root of
Okay.
n square minus m square. This we have to prove, right? So first let's assume, let these two numbers are what? A and B. We are starting with the question as A and B. So how our equation will be? Our equation will be x square plus a plus bx plus ab is equal to 0. Right? And my a is what? Arithmetic is 1 by a by b plus 2 and G is what? Root AB. So from here, what do I get? A plus B as 2am, sorry, 2a, 2 into a, and
Yeah.
G square as AB. Okay. I substitute in this equation. So my equation becomes what? It will become x square plus a plus bx ka, what it will become? 2a we have substituted, na?
Yes.
2 into a. So this will
Okay.
be 2ax plus a plus b can be written as g square, right? Is equivalent to 0. Till here,
Yeah.
clear? Now this is a quadratic equation.
Okay.
So how do we find the determinant? It will be x is equal to 2a plus minus 4a square minus 4g square upon 2. Check again. B square minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac I am applying. So that thing you get. Okay. Then you have 2, you can take common. So you get a plus minus a square minus g square upon 2. So you get this term as a plus minus a square plus g square only. Till here clear? Are you following?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what you can do is, now what is given in the question, you have to find in terms of m and n. So you are given am is arithmetic mean is m, ratio is m by n. So it will be some multiple, right? It will be
Yes.
am will be equal to equivalent to km and gm will be equivalent to kn, right?
Right. Okay.
So from that, what are you getting exactly? So you get
Okay.
a square minus, I'm just putting a is equal to kn
Okay.
and g is equal to kn, because they were multiple of it. Now if I put it in the equation and my two numbers were what? A was a plus a square plus g square minus g square, and b was a minus a square by g square. From that only I'm just separating the
Okay.
variables. Okay, like
Yeah.
ones by with one and ones by with two. I'm writing now. A by b will become what? That only we have to find now. It will become
Yeah.
a square plus g square upon a minus a square upon g square. I'm just substituting all the value k km plus k square. K square m square minus k square n square by kn by all the values you substitute, so you get k square m square minus k square n square. So from here, can you not take k out, because square 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 square, so you will get what?
Yeah.
K both the side I am taking out, I'll get m plus root of m square minus n square.
Yeah.
Here m minus root of n square minus n square. Okay,
Okay.
so a is to b becomes what? 1 plus m square minus n square ratio m minus m square minus n square. Just check from the beginning again and see.
Okay.
Next chapter, what we are doing?
Mom, I think it'll be
Sorry,
trigonometry, I guess. Trigonometry and then inverse is there.
trigonometry too we did, na?
Uh, I think inverse only.
Yeah. Limits you are not
And
doing.
no, like next, I'm talking about the doubts.
Okay, okay.
I've already done inverse.
Okay,
I'm
you have done
doing
inverse trigonometry.
yeah.
Okay.
Those doubts are also there. I've sent everything, right? You can just check for yourself right now. I'll go through this while you can just check what.
I don't think you have sent me for inverse trigonometry. You have sent me
Uh,
doubts from algebra book only.
just give me a minute. Mhm. Mom, I have sent from inverse as well. Just look into the PDF you find.
Yeah, let me check for inverse trigonometry. You have sent me 16 pages. First doubt are from series,
Mhm.
and
The
then
last ones. The last ones.
last one is not from inverse. Okay, yeah, it is from trigonometry book. Okay,
Mm.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Done.
Yeah.
This thing also.
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm. Tell me when to turn the page.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Moving on to 4.56, which says find the sum of n terms of the sequence. Oh, okay. So find the sum of n terms of the sequence. What? X plus 1 by x ka square, then x plus x square plus 1 by x square ka square,
Yeah.
and so on. Okay. So if you open the first one only, what do you get?
Uh.
X square plus 1 by x ka square
Right.
plus 2 into x into 1 by x, that is 2
Yeah.
only. Similarly,
Yeah.
open the second one, so you get x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 into x square, that will become 1 only. So this. Similarly, third term, if you open, same way it will open. Last term, if you open, it will be what? X to the power 2n plus 1 by x to the power 2n plus 2 again, because 2n, x to the power 2n will get cancelled. Till here it is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have to do, what we can do is we can separate all these x square, x4, x6, x8. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think I'm mixed. So from there we'll go to step x square plus x4 plus x6, x to the power 6 and x to the power 2n. Similarly then plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 and 1 by x to the power 2n. And there were 2 plus 2 plus 2, that also n times, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, this is clear why n times, because it was like this only, na? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2, then x4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2. So I'm just separating all the terms because I can see these are all in GP. X4 upon x square, then x6 upon x square. Common term we are getting x square only, right? So can
Yeah.
I not put it in formula? You know what is the formula for GP? X square x a, you know, right? What is the formula?
Yeah. For?
A r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. This formula
Y-
for this.
Yeah.
Okay. And here
Mm-hmm.
also you can take x square common. So what you are left with, 1 plus x square, all those terms. So what will it become? This will become 1 upon x square की power n minus 1 upon 1 by x square minus 1. Again applying the formula for GP only,
Okay.
plus 2n. Tell me if this, here it is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what I am going to do is, first term I'll keep, just multiply the powers. So it becomes x square x to the power 2n minus 1 upon x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square. If you open, this will become 1 minus x to the power 2n minus 1 upon 1 by x square minus x square. Take the LCM both the sides. So plus 2n will remain same. So this will become x square x to the power 2n minus 1 upon x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square. Next, okay, there will be, if I take LCM above also, it will become x to the power 2n, and 2n will come outside, so it will become like this, and here it will be what, 1 minus x square only plus 2n. Tell me if you understood this part also.
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay, so x square. Now what you will do is just take the minus sign from both the side. That will help us in solving. So it will become x square x to the power 2n minus 1 upon x square minus 1 plus 1 by x to the power 2n. I want to make this similar to this. So taking negative side from both of the terms common. So what it will become, x to the power 2n minus 1 upon x square minus 1. Now this is same only, these and these. So I can write it as x square plus
Yeah.
1 by x to the power n, and x2n, sorry, this was 2n, no? x2n
Right.
minus 1 upon x minus 1 plus 2, which is our required answer.
Uh-huh.
Just
Okay.
note it down from here. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, ma'am. You can move. Ma'am, you can move. Yeah.
This only, no? From here.
Yeah. Yeah. Ma'am, you can move. Yeah.
Okay, then we have, this is done. That's the
Yeah.
answer.
Okay.
4.6 question, can you see a written given term was something else? What is your doubt? Just check and tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. Over there, can you just check the answer? Because for me, according to me, there will be no answer for this question.
No answer?
Yeah, I think the answer in the book is wrong. Can you just check once?
A sequence of integers a1 plus a2 plus an satisfy the equation. Okay. Suppose the sum of first 999 term is 1003 and sum of first 1003 terms is minus 999.
Yes.
First thing is, suppose the sum of 199 term is
What, ma'am?
I'm just checking.
Yeah, sure. You can check.
Done this before also. I don't think answer is incorrect.
Ma'am, can you just look at the steps?
Yeah, I'm looking at the steps. Then okay, so it is given a n plus 2 will be a n plus 1 minus a n. This is correct. A n plus 3
Yeah.
will be a n minus 2 minus a n minus 1. So if I substitute a n minus 2 ka value, that is a n plus 1 minus a n.
A n plus 1 minus a n. Yeah.
Minus a n minus 1. So I'll be left with minus a n only. Similarly, a n
Yeah.
plus 4 may I'll substitute.
So, ma'am, he's done n plus 2. Look, ma'am, look at the. That is fine. I understood every single part there. Then,
Yeah,
when
yeah.
he's added all of them, shouldn't it be like a n plus 1? A n plus 1 won't get cancelled, no? A n plus 1 won't get cancelled. And he's not cancelled a n plus 2 either.
No, no, a n plus 1 is a, okay, so it becomes a
Yeah,
n.
just look at those last few steps that the where I've given the given. Yeah, a n plus 2 also he's kept there plus.
See,
So, but a
a
n
n,
plus 2,
huh,
yeah, a n plus 2 should get cancelled, no?
a n plus 2 should be cancelled. Let me try to follow it. It is given. Okay, all the terms. So they are saying all the terms will be cancelled. You are not able to understand this factor only, right?
Ma'am,
Huh.
I think you should solve it. You're not getting the because a n
I am
plus
not
6.
getting the doubt you are saying. You are saying that not all the terms are going to cancel. That is your doubt, right?
No, all the terms, yeah, shouldn't cancel, but yeah, exactly. Yeah.
The
All
problem
the
is,
terms won't.
see, an plus 1 will be one term, then an plus
Uh,
2 is one term, it is given.
uh,
Okay, an plus
uh,
3 you got as minus an. Okay,
uh, yeah,
an plus 4 you will get as minus an plus 1.
yeah.
Then an
Wait,
plus,
ma'am.
uh,
Yeah, ma'am. See, when you simplify it, you
hmm.
want uh, it'll be an plus say an plus 1 because those two won't
Do
split.
one thing, just
An
hmm.
yeah, an plus 2 you'll split, an plus 3 you'll split, an plus 4 you'll
an
split.
plus 2 you won't split. Only that is the crux here. That an plus 2 is given in the question as plus 1 minus an. So an plus 2 you're
Minus
not going to split. You're going to start with an plus 3. Okay. Just do one thing. Calculate an plus 4 and tell me what value you are getting. It should be minus an plus 1. If it is not the same, that means a calculation mistake. Just check. What you're getting is an plus 4. Just tell me that.
an plus 4.
Huh.
an plus 4, you'll get an plus 3 minus an plus 2. So there only an minus 2 and an plus 2, sorry, plus an plus 2
And same,
and minus
simplify.
an plus.
Simplify. An plus 4 will be an plus 3 minus an plus 2, right? Just put the
Yeah.
values of an plus 3 and an plus 2 and tell me what value you get.
Okay. An plus 4 will minus an plus 2. N plus 2 minus n plus 1. So you'll get, ma'am, an plus 2 minus an.
An plus 2 ka value also you have. See, an plus 2
Yeah,
ka
you
value put.
have an plus 2 minus an.
Yeah, you have to calculate the value in terms of a1, an plus 1 or an only. I'm telling you to put the value of an plus 2 also.
An plus 2 also.
Uh,
Okay. So
So
an
you'll
plus
get
2.
minus of an plus 1 from here.
Uh, no, ma'am.
Yeah,
You'll get an plus 1 minus 2 an.
see, I'll do 1 an plus 4.
Yeah.
Okay, that is an plus 3 minus an plus 2. Okay, so an
Right.
plus 3 ka value what I got? Minus an, right? And an plus 2 ka value is what?
An plus 2 is
Given in the question
this one.
only.
An plus 1 minus an. Yeah.
So it becomes what? Minus an.
Oh,
Minus,
okay. Yeah. Fine. Okay.
okay, plus an. Then next term you get uh, an plus 5. That will you again an plus 4 minus an plus 3. You got an plus 4 as what? One value.
You got us minus an.
So what will happen? All the terms are getting cancelled. It will become an minus an plus 2. So similarly for an plus 6 you get minus an plus 3. So what is happening? An plus 1 plus an plus 2. All these value if you are getting added, you are getting all these an plus 5 as minus an plus 2, an plus 4 as minus an. All the values are simultaneously getting cancelled. That is why you're getting answer as 0. Just check if you are not able to solve it now also. Are you there?
Yeah, just give me a minute.
You didn't understand why it is 0 now?
I'm just trying to do it myself. I'll see. I'll tell you.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. You got now 0?
Yeah. That's fine.
The problem was that you are not substituting because first two terms we are not substituting. That means an plus 1 we are remaining as same. So two terms will get cancelled from there itself. Rest all you are going to get in terms of an plus 1 an. So alternate terms, all the terms get cancelled, you get 0. Now this part is only for the application because we wanted to make our application
Yeah, and
for.
the rest is fine. It was only this part that I had doubt on.
Okay, yeah,
Rest
that is why I was thinking your given term was an plus 2.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, then we'll call it a session. Next session we'll decide what time, and then we can start with. You have, I think, problem.
More, and then after that it's all that imbibe thing, all the imbibe
Okay,
things.
imbibe. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think after this you have doubts in trigonometry only, no?
Yeah.
Trigonometry and inverse trigonometry.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, in trigonometry, inverse trigonometry, imbibe we'll have to cover now, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I will
Okay.
decide upon time and then we'll discuss that. Okay.
Sure. Okay. Okay.
Okay. I'll call it a
Yeah.
session. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.